In a previous class, what I'm telling, Oracle, SQL Server, MySQL, Teradata, these type of products are implemented. These products are relational database management system products. Actually, these products are implemented based on a special type of model is there that is called a relational data model in a 1970 onwards, relational data model. What is data model means in a previous class, I'm telling your data model already we are discussing only. So now here data model specifies how data is represented at a logical structure. Two types of database structures are there. One is physical, another one is logical. I'm telling logical structure means a database structure which is not visible in operating system or a C drive, D drive. It is not visible anything that is called logical structure. But how data is represented or storing in a logical structure that is specified in a database terminology side, data model. But unfortunately, in a 1970 onwards, a new model is there. That is a popular model only. That a data model based only nowadays. So many database products are there. What is that one? Means relational data model. In the 1970, EF Cod only introduced a relational data model. And also in this data model, data is represented in the form of records. Okay. And also data is stored in two-dimensional tables. Okay. These are all the things. Okay. Previous class, Friday class, we are telling. And also observe it here. Actually, in a previous class, some fellows are not attending only. Just observe it here. Relational data model mainly consists of very easy. Relational data model is very easy. Why? Because relational data model products, any products we are learning also another products are very easy because yes, total relational data model products are mainly consist of only three components. Only three. How much easy observe here? Only three components. One is a collection of database objects, some tables, views, indexes, so many database objects are there. What is view, what is index, what is synonym, we are learning in our course. Again, set of operators, already I'm telling, okay, so is equal to, less than or equal to, these operators are there. Another one is very important here, set of integrity rules. Always relational data model products based on set of rules only. These rules you have an idea, really you are operating as a relational data model products in a fingertips. Very easy. And now here, but unfortunately so many first time newcomers or experienced persons also struggling about what is these rules. They doesn't have an idea. That's a problem. That's why in a previous class I'm telling, oh, maybe relational data model products works based on set of rules only. Important rule I'm not telling in a previous class, you are observing or not. Yes, why? Because some less number of persons are attending only. And now check it out. Today one important rule I am telling only, very important. Next our course, Oracle course, we are starting now. Observe it here. What is the very important role before we are going to start in a relational data model products we are learning means compulsory. Now here we are learning that concept, compulsory, mandatory concept, that one. That is not a difficult, I think, in a future concept actually, but unfortunately first only I'm telling that one. Now check it out, concentrate here. Actually, nowadays, anybody learning a courses, data warehousing technology, informatica, data stage, Talendo, and okay, so now here tools like so BOS, OBI, those persons are learning what fact tables, dimension tables, something. But unfortunately, these type of programmers, yes, Oracle, SQL Server, MySQL, Teradata, Sybase, these programmers learning about one important rule in a way relational data model. What is that one means? Observe here, screen observe it. In our projects, in a way relational data model projects only, relational data model based products projects only. Main transactions, observe here, main transactions, slowly observe here, main transactions are stored in a way master table. Slowly observe here, very important this one. Future concept also today very interestingly you are understandable. Always main transactions are stored in a way master table. Okay, fine. Again, related child transactions. What is child transaction? What is master transaction? Later. First observe here. Okay. Yes, in a every Oracle, SQL Server, these type of product side, relational data model product side, the related child transactions are stored in. Yes, your child table. Or child tables are also called as detail table. This is a mandatory in our main project side. Okay, fine. You are joining in a company means compulsory. This one is you must familiar. Main transactions are stored in a where master table. And also now here, yes, here related child transactions are stored in a where? In a child table. Okay, na? Yeah. So now today I'm showing a what? Two tables. Oracle Corporation practice purpose. Oracle Corporation giving only practice purpose important tables only. Those tables daily we are learning. Okay, so many concepts only through the tables in a future. But unfortunately today Oracle Corporation whatever tables they are giving only practice purpose. Two tables. Those two tables I'm showing a what in a screen today. Okay, fine. But in those tables, you don't know anything also. Which one is a master, which one is a child, you are telling me is great. Which one is a master, which one is a child table, you are guessing me is great. Then how that is a master, how that is a child, what happened in a master and child table transactions, I will tell you. Now check it out. Concentrate here. Without any knowledge also, you are understandable today. Actually, in a where Oracle Corporation giving a what? Yes, employee details they are storing in a where practice purpose only. Employee details they are storing in a one table. EMP is a table. They are giving a what predefined tables only. Yes, daily we are using a what these tables in our course only. Yes, employee details are storing in a where employee table. EMP is a table they are giving in a Scott user side. Again, another related, now here is your department details are storing in a where DEPT table, two tables. These are the two predefined tables Oracle Corporation giving. These are most powerful, well normalized tables. That's why nowadays, okay, interviewer also through these tables only interview questions they're asking. That much powerful this one. Now EMP table is there. One table is EMP table. Another one is the what? DEPT table. EMP table means employee details are there storing. DEPT tables they are storing a what? Department details. Okay, fine. Now screen observe it. Screen observe it here. This is a Oracle database. How you are loading? What is this one? I will tell you. Don't worry. Now here, yes, here. Now suppose here in this table, okay, sorry, in this database, Oracle product, this one. Okay, fine. This is a relational data model product. Now I'm typing a what? One table. This is a table is there. EMP table. Okay, fine. These commands, don't worry. Just observe it here. EMP table is there. Employee details table. This is a big table really. Oracle Corporation giving. Slowly observe it here. I'm pressing enter key. Yes, here so many columns, so many rows are there. Suppose these are called columns. Same like these tables. You are also creating a tables next only. Okay, fine. These are columns only. Okay, fine. Employee number, e-name, job, MGR, hire date means joining date, salary, commission, department number. These are columns. Here rows are there. How many rows are there? Observe here. This is a row. Horizontal one is called a row or tuple only. On a row, this one. Okay. How many rows are there? Here 14 rows are there. This is a big table. 14 rows are there. Just here, one table is there, EMP table, employee details they are storing. How many columns are there? Anybody count it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Why I am counting means write a query which is used to count a number of columns in a table, EMP table or DEPT table. Interviewer asking only. There is a popular interview question in a Java, .NET, Oracle, SQL Server, these type of questions they're asking. That's why. Just at least practice table observe here. EMP table is there. Yes, how many columns are there? 8 columns are there. How many rows are there? Oracle Corporation giving practice purpose 14 rows. Okay, fine. Again, okay, this is a big table. Now check it out. Just observe it here. Another table they are giving. These are related tables. One is master, one is child only. Select star from DEPT is another table they are giving. Whenever you are observing a what a DEPT table, this is a small table. Department details are storing small table only. Now here in this table, what are the columns are there? Slowly observe here. DEPT number, D name, and location is a columns are there. Now 3 columns are there. How many rows are there? 4 rows are there. 1, 2, 3, 4 rows are there. Okay, fine. Maybe anybody, computer students are there in our class, maybe academic career, just at least a little bit of knowledge is there in a Oracle database. Now guess it, which one is a master table, which one is a child table. Here 2 tables are there, EMP and DEPT. And which one is a master, which one is a child. These are one master table, one child table only. Otherwise newcomers also maybe guess it, which one is a master table, which one is a child table. Anybody guessing also great. And now here, yes, here. Now here, anybody. Maybe first time, no, just roughly Now here, any non-technical person also not a problem. Just roughly guess it. Very good. So many fellows are telling what, yes, here in our class only. And now here, yes, you are a first time programmer, I think. And now here, yes, EMP is a what? Master table, they are telling. Okay, fine. Master table, they are telling. For example, observe here. EMP is a master table. DEPT is a what? A child table. So many fellows are first time newcomer. I am also, you are also telling a what? EMP is a master table and a DEPT is a child table. We are telling only, okay, generally, okay, first time newcomer, but unfortunately, this is wrong one. This is wrong one. Absolutely wrong one. Yes, EMP is not a master table. DEPT is not a child table. Popular tables, this one I know. So now here, so many students also well-known persons. Just observe it here first. EMP is not a master. DEPT is not a child. Why must some students only telling what? Yes, EMP is a master, DEPT a child means maybe their intention is, oh, maybe big table is there. Okay, EMP table, Murlis are showing a what? Here, this is a big table. Oh, that's why EMP is a big table. That's why big table is a what? Master table. Oh, maybe now here, yes, DEPT table in a screen only small table is there. That's why maybe small means a child only. They are thinking, okay, fine, yes, here, but absolutely wrong one. Don't think that but you know, big tables are not a master tables. Yes, now small tables not a child tables, but here reverse. But unfortunately, some experienced persons are telling, okay, very good. Some fellows are telling, and now here, yes, very good. And now here, check it out. Yes, DEPT is a what? Master. Very good. Yes, DEPT table is a master table. Slowly observe here. Why? Because this table, not only today, up to last of the classes also we are using. This is well normalized table, third normal form tables. Scott only designing in 1978. Still nowadays also they are using these tables. That much powerful this one. That's why first I'm embedded, okay, injecting what this table concepts only. DEPT is a master table. Very good. Some fellows are guessing. DEPT is a master table in this one, in this table. Yes, again, EMP is a what? A child table. Okay, fine. Some experienced person guessing a what? Oh, maybe now here DEPT is a table, master table. EMP is a what? A child table. Okay. But unfortunately, newcomers, suppose you are a non-technical person, you know, you are a mechanical student, otherwise electronic vocation, a triple E student, otherwise any other civil engineer, anybody non-technical in a where computer knowledge is not there, database knowledge is not there, means how you are given the guarantee? In a master and child tables, they are telling in a documentation in a project side. How you are given the guarantee? Yes, yeah, how can I find out what this is a master, this is a child table? Means simple technique is there in a relational data model product side. And now check it out. Yes, observe here. You are also telling what today? Oh, this is a simple, this is a master, this is a child only. How means a simple technique is there. Now check it out. Now concentrate here. How you are giving a guarantee? This is a master, this is a child means observe here. Actually, whenever you are observing a master and a child tables, slowly observe it here. Concentrate here. Yes, here, concentrate. And now check it out. This is a what? So now slowly observe it here. This is a EMP table. Don't write it. How you are given the guarantee master and child without any knowledge means I will tell you. This is a rule. That's why. EMP is there. Again, DEPT table is there. Okay, fine. First, these two are related tables in a documentation side. They are giving in a tables. Okay, fine. The related table means in these two tables, compulsory, one common column is available. 100% common column is available. These tables are master and child tables, related tables means compulsory 100% common column name is available. Common column name is available. Just you are a good professional means observe the what a common columns, which common column is there, that common column data observe it. There's a rule. Only data. We are observing a what data in a very common column. Based on that one, you are also telling a what this is a master, this is a child only. Okay. Now slowly observe it here in EMP DEPT table side. Yes, which one is a common column is there? Maybe anybody viewing a what this one properly means. That tell me. Yes, which one is a common column? in a DEPT and EMP. Which one is very good? Yes, DEPT number, something is there. No, DEPT number is there. DEPT number means department number column. Here also in a where DEPT table also department number column is there. Okay, fine. Department number column is there. Okay, now, and now here check it out. Slowly observe it here. Based on these two tables, I will tell you. Okay, in this DEPT table, department number column, some data is there. Again, yes, in the what DEPT number column, this one department number column, some data is there. Based on the data, you are also identifying. Now check it out. Slowly observe it here. Concentrate here. Now easily you are telling what that concepts only. And now there is very important role. Now check it out. So now that's why database, relational database is very easy. EMP table is there. Don't write it. Just observe it here. This is a DEPT table is there. Slowly observe it here. DEPT table is there. now I am telling DEPT table is there. Now in this EMP table, so many columns are there. Employee number is a column, e-name is a column, so many columns. Later you are familiar. And now here DEPT number is a column is there. Okay, fine. One column DEPT number is a column is there. Okay, fine. And now here check it out. Slowly observe it here. Okay. Here also, yes, some columns are there in this table. Here, DEPT number is a column is there. Okay, fine. Department name is a column. Location is a column. Okay, some columns. You don't have an idea of these columns. Just observe it here. Some columns are there. Okay, slowly observe it here. Now here observe it here. These two tables, which one is a master, which one is a child means first we have to identify common column. What is the common column is there? Very good. Department number. Yes, common column you have to identify. This common column, department number, and also here also department number. This common column based only they are establishing a relation. Okay, fine. That's for relational data model, these things. Now in this department number, yes, you are observing what a data means. So now here I am showing only. Now check it out. In this department number column, yes, here 10 is available. Observe it here. In the department number column only, here 10 is available one time. But again, they are not giving a 10. Again 10, again 10, again 10. Duplicate data is not there. Duplicate data not there. You are observing or not. Duplicate 10 is not there. 10 how many times are there? Only one time they are giving. Observe it here. Only one time only 10 is there. Again only one time only 20 is there. Only one time only 30 is there. Only one time only 40 is there. That's why whenever you are observing a what in a relational tables common column, in that common column any duplicate data is not there, that column is also called as primary key. Yes, primary key. Suppose here you are purchasing a what any item anywhere also in a shopping mall or anything, invoice is created. That invoice number is unique. Duplicate is not there. My invoice is different, your invoice is different. Like suppose in a bank account number is there, that's the primary key. That's why bank account number, my account number is different, your account number is different. Duplicate data is not there. That's why, oh, maybe common column is there. Check it out, first time newcomer. And now when a relational data model product side, duplicate data is not there in that column, that is called primary key. But unfortunately, in EMP table, anybody observing means I will show you. And now here in department number, duplicate data is there. 10, again 20, again 30, again 10 is there. Duplicate data. Again 10 is there. Again 20 is there. Again 20 is there. Again 20 is there. Again 20 is there. Again 30 is there. Again 30 is there. That's why duplicate data is there. Whenever duplicate data is there in a relational data model products, in a future you are familiar, those type of columns are called foreign key. On a foreign key. That's why foreign key is not there in a DBMS software side. Foreign key is available in a where relational data model products or DBMS software side. Foreign key, primary key, check, not null, unique. Big chapter is there. In that chapter we are learning. Don't worry. But first today, now here how you are given the guarantee. There's a master and child table means common column data we are observing. In that common column data, one common column data is does not have any duplicate data. That is called primary key. Whenever common column is there, duplicate data is there. That is called foreign key. Oh, maybe based on this knowledge you are understandable. Foreign key means oh maybe duplicate data accepting. Primary key means maybe duplicate data is not there. Okay, so now here that is up to now small thing. Okay, fine. In a future, now here, what is the purpose? That one, this one we are learning. Oh, don't worry. And now check it out. Okay. Whenever in a relational table, in a primary key is there, This table is also called as, this primary key is also called as master table. That's why that key based. Whenever primary key is available, that table is also called as what? Master table. This is a master table to master. This is a master table to where this child table. For this child table only, EMP table, child table. For this child table, this is a master. Okay. Yeah. So now here. Again, observe it here. In a number of child also there. Again, observe it here. Whenever foreign key is available, those tables are also called as child table or detailed table. This table is also called as what? Child table or detailed table. Child table or detailed table. Only foreign keys table is called child table or detailed table. That's why, yes, how you are given the guarantee in a EMP DEPT tables, anybody showing a what in a screen or anything means, yes, DEPT is a master table, EMP is a what? Child table. How you are given the guarantee in a DEPT is a master table means the DEPT table department number is a primary key table is called master table. That primary key available in a which related foreign key means, yes, that table is a what? Foreign key table is a what? Child table. Okay. Why they are giving a what? In a project side, main transactions are stored in a where master table, child transactions are stored in a child table means data security point of view. Data security is there. Now here secured, once master and child tables data is storing is secured only. What type of data security means? So many things are there. Just at least interesting purpose. Two rules, small rules I am asking only. And maybe you are guessing, I think. Suppose master and child table is there. Okay, fine. Yes, here screen observe it here. This is a master table is there. DEPT is a master table. Okay. I am a data entry operator. Okay, fine. In a project side, for example, I try to delete a what? This department number, 10th department from master table. Possible or not possible? I try to remove this record. I try to delete this record, 10th department from master table. Anybody guess it? Possible or not possible? I am also, you are also try to delete means remove only. Delete one record from master table. Possible or not possible? Very good. Yes, impossible. It will give us a error. That is a security error. Impossible. Now why? Because already that 10 is available in a where? In a child table. That's why whenever we are trying to delete a one record in a where master table, if those records are available in a child table, then it will give us a what? Error. That is a security. Now, suppose you are interested to delete a what? This master table record from master table means first go to child table. First we are deleting a what? A child table records from the child table. Then only we are deleting a what? A master table record from master table. That is a common sense. Okay, na? Yeah. So now another small rule only I'm telling. Now check it out. For example, this is a child table is there. Yes, here EMP table. Now I am a data entry operator. Anybody guess it? I am a data entry operator. I try to insert a what? 90 into where this child table. Possible or not possible? Maybe anybody guess it? 90 is a what? Some department number I try to insert. Insert means loading only. I try to insert a what? A 90 is a department number in a child table. Possible or not possible? Anybody guess it? Very good. Some fellows are guessing. How they are guessing, I don't know. But correct. Yes, impossible. Why? Because always none of your foreign key values are based on primary key values only. This 90 is not available in a master table. You are observing or not? 10, 20, 30, 40 is there or not? Here 90 is not there. That's why other than primary key values, you are trying to insert into foreign key. Impossible. That is a data security. If you are interested to insert means first we are loading the data into where? In a master table. Then only we are inserting a what? The data into where? Child table. Possible or not? Suppose you are joining in a company. Your main transaction ID is stored in a where? Master table first. Then only now your related project details, all the details are storing in a where? Child table. Suppose your ID is not there in a master table, how they are loading a what? That data into where? That related data into where? In a child tables? Impossible. Suppose you are resigning a job also, your main transaction ID, try to delete in a where? Master table. Impossible. First we are deleting those records from the child table, then only those records are deleting in a where? Master table. Those type of things are available. That is the beauty of the where in a project side. Okay, fine. Not a normal means okay, our chapter side we are learning. Okay, fine. That's the important rules only. Now really that is correct. And now here check it out. Don't write it. This is a master table. Select star from DEPT, but I am writing a what? EMP child table. I am writing. Don't write it here. Again here select a star from yes DEPT. Okay, don't write it. Just observe it here. Okay, this is a master table. Murali sir telling only DEPT table department number 10, 20, 30, 40 is there. Now is try to check, delete from these concepts we are learning in our course. Delete from DEPT where department number is equal to 10. We are typing in a one of the stage only. And now here, yes, it will give a what? Error. Observe it here, error it will be gives. Yes, server is telling a what? Here this a foreign key FK means, or yes, here child record found. Oh, maybe this 10 is available in a child table. Okay, EMP table 10, 10, 10. That's why you are unable to delete or not. Yes, error. Now here, suppose I try to insert some record into master table, insert into table name EMP. Okay, this insert, update, delete, we are learning, okay, in our course side. Okay, DEPT number like this only. Observe it here, values. Now I try to one employee number, department number 90, I try to insert in EMP table. Yes, it will give say error. EMP table 90, I try to insert means, yes, here, this parent key not found. Oh, maybe in the DEPT table, master table, this 90 is not available. It will showing a error or not. Yes, yeah, that's why these type of rules are very important. Okay, fine. Suppose you are a experienced person. In our course we are learning about here joins is a concept, most powerful. Again, constraint is a what? A concept. In SQL side, subquery is a what? Concepts, big so now here, yes, chapters, these are all the things. In this constraint chapter, okay, so chapter we are telling a what? Yes, primary key, foreign key, check, unique, not null, how you are creating a master and a child tables. Those things we are learning. Suppose you are learning a course, for example. Otherwise, anybody having idea. In that case, how you are creating a master and child table means just easy. Create table master in a future. Don't write it, just observe it only. And now here, yes, you are like this only. And now here, S number is a column, for example. And now here, number. Primary key means like this only. Primary space key. We are writing in a future coding side. Okay, fine. This is a master table, master primary key like this. Okay, just we are learning your course means you are understandable. And now here we are okay, so now here, yes, we are putting a what, some data, something is there. And now here, check it out. Here one I try to insert, again one means impossible because duplicate data not accepting. Observe here, duplicate data not accepting, error. Suppose 2, suppose 3. Okay, in a future, not now. Just observe it here. This is a table, master table, select star from mass like this only. Okay, master. Now here duplicate data I try to insert also, it won't work. Okay, fine, it will give say error. Yes, because primary key does not accept duplicate data. Now in a future, in a this related foreign key table we are creating, that is a child tables like this only. And now here, whenever they are creating a what child tables, foreign key is a concept is there, that is references to master table. These type of things we are using. Okay, fine. Now here I try to insert a what data into where child table. Observe it only. These all the things you don't have an idea. Logic, observe it here. And now really that is, yes, suppose 90 I try to insert into where child table. For example, this 90 is not there in a master. 1, 2, 3 is there. It won't work. It will give us a what? Error. Okay, so no error, parent key not found. Now I try to insert here 1. I try to insert here again 1. Possible? Maybe anybody gets it. Duplicate possible? Yes, possible. Yes, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. In a duplicate data also possible. Okay, fine. Here 2, again 3. Okay, fine. Again 3, again 3, like this. Observe it here. Yes, this a master and child is there. Okay, in the future you are familiar. In the future, not now. Just observe it here. This type of coding you have, you are very good knowledge only. These all the things. So now here master. Here observe it here. Yes, select star from master. 1, 2, 3 is there. Okay, fine. Yes, select a star from child like this only. Okay, fine. Yes, here duplicate data is there. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 2, 2, 3, 3, 3 is there or not? Yes, here. Oh, maybe master and child is there. Okay, fine. Yes, delete from master where, yes, S number is equal to 1. Yes, it won't work. Okay, fine. Yes, here. Error, child record found. Okay, na? Yes, this type of things. That's why always. Okay, these are all the things we are learning in our course, not now. So now here, just observe it here. I am intimating to you in any relational data model products also. Relational data means foreign key is most powerful, because if you want to establish a relation between the tables, foreign key we are using only one table, foreign key must belongs to another table, primary key. These all the things practically we are learning. That's why these are relational data model products. Why they are calling means relationship between the tables are available. Relationship between the data is available. master, child, something is there. That's why those master and child, okay, those type of things, why they are giving me is a set of rules. Okay, so now always set of rules based only they are giving. Okay, na? Yes, here. Up to this one, we are discussing in a previous class. Okay, na? And now here, yes. Now check it out slowly. Today onwards, we are starting. Don't worry. Now concentrate here. Finished this one. Okay. Now, before our course is actually Oracle. Okay, fine. These are relational data model products based only implemented. Now, which product we are learning? Oracle we are learning in our class. That's why Oracle through we are learning these all the relational data model products, these all the things. Now check it out. Where the Oracle is coming from. So many fellows are doesn't have an idea. This is very simple diagram I'm designing only. Through that one, you are understandable without reading articles also. So much of knowledge you are getting only. Just observe it here. Now check it out. Oracle is a relational data model product or not? Yes, here. Now that Oracle, when it will be introduced, means I will tell you. Now check it out. Concentrate here. Slowly observe it here. Simple diagram. This is a history without reading articles also. You are understandable. Otherwise, you are good at what in a Google you are typing means these all the things theory only they are giving. Just broadly idea purpose only. I'm designing this one. Now check it out. Actually, slowly observe it here. Don't write it. This is very important diagram I'm designing only. Now, easy non-technical persons also understandable. In a 1970 only, don't write it. Okay, so now E.F. Codd, he is a father of the relational data model. Actually, he is a mathematician. He is working in a IBM company. That's why he decided to store the data in the format of tables only. Okay, na? A structured manner. In 1970, E.F. Codd, yes, introduce a relational data model. Nowadays, you are using a SQL language. No, that SQL language name is in those days DSL alpha language. Slowly observe here. In a 1970, E.F. Codd written a paper actually. So now written a paper. Paper means not a simple paper. Yes, big articles only. Now here written a paper. What is that paper name? Means relational model of data for large shared data banks is a paper. Observe it here. Don't worry this one only. Just observe it here. My interest purpose I am telling. E.F. Codd only, he is a father of the relational data model. He is only writing about a relational model of data for large shared data banks is a paper. In this paper only, now we are telling us
Hello.
It is gone, it seems.
Hello, anything happen?
Please continue, sir.
Hello.
I think network.
How can I get my course material?
I get only video, not.
Anyone have any idea? How can one get course material video lecture?
Those who paid.
No idea on this.
Yeah, in your mail ID, they will send you the materials, Google Drive, recording videos.
We wanted notepad notes.
hello. It is audible. Hello. Yeah, power is gone here. That's why in mobile data we are running. Okay. Hello. It is audible. Hello. Yeah. And now check it out. Slowly observe it here. And now here, in a 1970 only, E.F. Codd written a paper, relational model of data for large shared data banks. Only 5 minutes, observe it here. Very interesting. This is a total idea. Now, actually, he is writing about this paper, and also not only that one, in that paper only normalization rules, again, previous cases, just roughly I'm telling master table, child table, foreign key, primary key, these all the rules they're writing only. He's writing. In a 12 card rules are there, so many things are there. Okay. Now, not only that one, not only those relational model of data for large shared data banks, actually nowadays you are working in a where Oracle, for example, Oracle is a relational data model product. If you want to operate a Oracle, which language you are using? Which language you are using? SQL is a language you are using only. This is a relational data model product Oracle, but this is a language. Compulsory one language is required to operate a what? Yes, relational data model. What is that language? SQL is a language. SQL is a non-procedural language, not a procedural. Okay, non-procedural language. This easiest language is implemented by which person? Yes, in a 1970 only, EF code only introduced. In those days, this language SQL name is DSL alpha language. That is important. Nobody knows. Whenever one of our student only, she is attending in a 2013 or anything fresher level. Yes, do you have any idea what is the previous name of the where SQL they are asking? Maybe that history also why they are asking, I don't know. Yes, here so many fellows are doesn't know that one. Our student is telling selected, impressed. Now here maybe anything also asking about interview on a fresher level, not experience level. And now actually, so what is the language he is introducing about in a 1970 means DSL/alpha is a language. Nowadays, this language name is a what? SQL. Observe here, language. Now slowly observe here. DSL alpha language, which is used to operate this relational data model products. Nowadays, this language name, DSL alpha language name is a what? SQL. Observe it here. Not completed. Now check it out. 5 minutes concentrate here. Observe it here. Slowly observe it, easily understandable where the Oracle is coming from. Suppose in a 1970, you have got written a paper, relational data model, okay, something is there. And also for operating our relational data model, which language he is introducing? DSL alpha language. Okay, fine. Based on this paper, one company introduced a first relational data model product. Which company? Maybe company name, guess it. In a 1970 only one company introduced a what? A first relational data model product only. At least that company name. And nowadays Oracle is there, SQL Server is there, DB2 is there. So many products are there, relational data model products. But first initial stage, yes, Oracle is not there in a 1970. Now here, yes, actually, slowly observe it here. Which company? Some fellows are guessing. Very good, correct. Yes, IBM company. Because in IBM only, yes, EF code only working. He's a mathematician. He's only introduced. He's a scientist actually. Now in IBM company only introducing a first relational data model product based on this paper. But unfortunately, what is the first relational data model product means? Nowadays, Oracle, SQL Server, the DB2, MySQL, these products are there. No, that is different company products, but not a first product only. But IBM company only introducing a what? Nowadays, DB2 is there. DB2 is not a first product. Which one is a product means? Yes, anybody having idea? Nobody doesn't know. Just here, observe it here. Yes, system or nowadays not there. System/or is a project is there actually. That is network based data model project. But unfortunately, this one relational data model concepts they are embedded only. Unfortunately, successful. Observe it here. Oh, maybe first time newcomer means observe it here. Oh, maybe based on this paper, IBM company introduced a what? First relational data model product. System R is a product. Nowadays DB2 is available, but first product is system R. But if we want to operate this relational data model product means language is required. Which language they are using? DSL alpha language. But unfortunately in those days DSL alpha language is difficult. That's why system R team is there. And now that team is, so now here simplified version of the DSL alpha language they are introducing. That name is Square is a language. Square. They are changing what DSL alpha language name into where? Square. That history I will tell you, don't worry. And now just roughly idea purpose only, first time telling only Square language. That Square again changed into SQL, structured English query language. Again that SQL is changed into where? SQL. That much of history is there. Square language. Here, slowly observe it here. Oh, maybe just idea purpose. Because our course we are learning a Oracle, no, that Oracle before, just these all the things. Okay, but where the Oracle is there? Where the Oracle means? Yes, here Oracle is, yes, introduced and not a IBM only. Yes, Oracle Corporation is not there in a where in those days actually. Now here based on this paper, slowly observe it here. Yes, another company, one company is there. What is that one means? In a 1977 only, And now here one company, okay, so now starting by the where some fellows only, but those persons are, yes, working in a where first in a where before 1977, one company is there in America, okay, so now here, yeah, American electronics company, Ampex company is there. So now here, what is that company? Company name is based on this paper, Ampex is a company is there. Slowly observe here. Now slowly Ampex, American electronics company, Ampex is a company is there. In this company only, and now here, yes, here, they are introduced a what? So now here, yes, relational data model products. Okay, but unfortunately, slowly observe here. In this Ampex company, now here, yes, some fellows are came out from this company. Which persons means actually in a previous case, who is the CEO of the Oracle Corporation? Anybody have an idea? Very good. One fellow is telling only Larry Ellison, correct. Here, actually in this company, Larry Ellison is working. Larry Ellison, okay, fine. Larry Ellison, he is the CEO of the Oracle Corporation. Larry Ellison and Bob Miner and Edwards. These three fellows are came out from that company in a 1977. They are starting a new company that is called STL. In that STL only, relational data model product Oracle they are introducing. That much of history is there. Actually, Bob Miner was Larry Ellison's manager. They worked at Ampex together in a CAA project code named Oracle, actually. Now, but unfortunately, observe here, you are a newcomer, means that much of history not required. Just observe here. Oh, maybe Ampex is a company, is there, electronics company. In this company, so many persons are working. Yes, here one of the person is came out from that company, Larry Ellison, and another two persons, Bob Miner, Edwards. These persons are came out from that company and started a new company. So now here, yes, here 1977, they're starting a new company, but unfortunately in a 19, yes, okay, so now 79 only, they are changing that company name, STL company name into RSI company name. Just observe it here, RSI, Relational Software Incorporation. Yes, this company, in this company only, they are starting a what? Which product? Oracle is a product. Okay, fine. Oracle product. Again, this RSI company name was, that history I will tell you. First observe here, RSI company name was changed into, yes, here RSI company name was changed into where in a 1982 only, they're changing RSI company name into where? Oracle Corporation. Yes, here Oracle Corporation only. And now here, yes, RSI company name is changed into where? Oracle Corporation. Here, Oracle Corporation. Now here, yes, in this Oracle Corporation nowadays, so many products are there, Oracle related products are there, okay? Yes, and also another project side also, yes, they are using only this one. But main product based company, Oracle is a main product in a Oracle Corporation, okay? But unfortunately, maybe I'm viewing what YouTube's only articles in a 2018 result only, okay, so now here, based on 2018, I think. And now here, yes, one of the manager telling only, and now here, yes, compared to where all other databases, 54% of the market is occupied in a database Oracle. That much of powerful, half of the above market. And now here, yes, that's why Oracle is more popular. So many companies are using only. Okay, na? Oh, maybe Oracle is available in a way 1979 onwards. Based on this one, you are understandable. Not only that one, some terminology I want. Actually, in a 1970 EF code, not only writing a relational data model, actually his design features also he is introducing. Maybe any computer students having idea, normal forms are there. That normal forms also he is only introducing. Normal forms is a concept is there. Okay, fine, in a database design side. And now he is only introducing a what? Normal forms. First normal form, second normal form, third normal form. So many normal forms are there actually. And now here, those all normal forms he is not introducing. Only three normal forms there he is introducing only. First enough and second enough. Database design purpose. Master and child table is there. How can I design? What is that one? Those rules are there. First enough, second enough, and third enough. BC enough, 4 enough, 5 enough. He is not introducing. Just a roughly idea purpose only. This diagram, draw this one. That history I will tell you. Diagrammatically write it. Because versions, so many things I am telling you, no, in those days. You understand about this. Draw this one only. Draw this diagram. Otherwise, take a snap. This history I will tell you. In 1977, Larry Ellison, Bob Miner, Ed Ward started a new company called STL, Software Development Laboratories. In 1977, some other fellow is joining. What is that one? Those all the things I will tell you history. Just some names, awareness purpose. Otherwise, take a snap through the mobile. Completed this one fast. Here normal forms is terminology. First enough, comma, second enough, comma, third enough. First normal form, second normal, third normal form, like this. 1970 EF got written paper, relational model of data for large shared data banks. He is introducing a what? One language, DSL alpha language for operating a what? This relational data model product. Based on this paper, IBM company introduced a system or project only. In that one, Square is a language. Nowadays, Square is changing into SQL, SQL changed to SQL. But Ampex is an electronics company is there in California, America only. In that one, US only. Now here from in that company, Larry Ellison, Bob Miner, Ed Ward, they came out from that company. They started a new company, STL. Again, that STL changed into RSI, Relational Software Incorporation, 1977. Now in that one, Oracle, they are introducing only product. Again, 1982. So now that RSI name is changed into where? Oracle Corporation. In that one, Oracle product is there. Completed up? Yeah. So now here, yes, here. There is a history.